hunt in 40 by 40 cm rounds, Special Treatment version 3 now adds abalone crystals that we have sprinkled on the dark green areas of the picture. So this would include some areas of the ribbon on her hair, on her headdress. There's a ribbon right there. We've also sprinkled some of the abalone in the dark green areas behind her, as well as trickling down right over here, some on this corner, and also down here. So you can choose the area that you'd like to highlight more as to where you would like to place your abalone crystals, but this pretty much gives it a nice glistening effect. Once again, for version 3 of the hunt, you have a total of 3 special beads: periwinkle pearls, desert crystals, and abalone crystals.